Looking for the perfect 3D printers to bring your creations to life? Let's explore 5 standout options, from budget-friendly to high-end, that deliver quality results. Whether you're crafting prototypes, custom designs, or just diving into 3D printing, I've rounded up 5 impressive models worth considering. We'll dive into the details, key features, what sets them apart, and any quirks to keep in mind. Let's begin with the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, a FDM printer built for speed, offering a good solution for prototyping. Its 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume is supported by a stable core structure, enabling speeds up to 600 mm per second, including one-click auto-leveling and a quick-release 280°C nozzle for PLA, ABS, and PETG. The intuitive 4.3-inch touchscreen and Wi-Fi-enabled print streamlines operation. This printer is perfect for users seeking fast, reliable prints with minimal setup, making it a strong contender for everyday hobbyist projects and functional parts. The Adventurer 5M generally receives high praise for its user-friendly experience, with many users finding the printer exceptionally easy to set up. It's frequently described as plug-and-play and simple to get started, often requiring no adjustments, no tuning, and no bed leveling, working perfectly right out of the box, leading to a painless setup. The print quality consistently impresses users, with initial prints often being crisp and accurate. Speed is another significant advantage, making printing efficient, and is also recognized for its excellent value, considered a great printer for the price. However, some users have reported reliability concerns. There are mentions of malfunctions such as nozzle and Z-axis errors, filament feeding failures, and print head jams. Additionally, some users find the printer notably loud, comparable to a vacuum cleaner, potentially making it disruptive in shared spaces. Next we have the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, a compact FDM printer, perfect for beginners and hobbyists with its 180 by 180 by 180 mm build volume. It offers speeds up to 500 mm per second, backed by full auto calibration for hassle-free printing. Its 300°C all-metal hot end supports PLA, PETG, TPU, and PVA. Designed for quiet operation and intuitive control with a 2.4-inch touchscreen and smart connectivity, the A1 Mini delivers exceptional ease of use and creative versatility for smaller, intricate projects in a home setting. The A1 Mini generally receives positive feedback from users. With a 180 by 180 by 180 mm build volume, it is often considered suitable for beginners and hobbyists, offering a good print speed. Its full auto calibration for Z-offset, bed leveling, and vibration resonance helps ensure precision. Setup is often described as straightforward, with a pre-assembled printer frequently reported as ready in 10 to 30 minutes, earning mentions for its ease of assembly. The intuitive Bambu Lab interface simplifies operation, offering calibration, print management, error alerts, and access to free printable designs. Users appreciate its versatility, creating various items from useful parts to decorative objects with prints that are frequently described as having good quality, boasting accurate holes, gears, threads, and visually appealing results. Priced as an entry-level option, it is considered a worthwhile purchase. While feature-rich, the printer can waste filament before starting prints, and its reliance on Bambu Lab's proprietary slicer software can be frustrating for some, as it limits flexibility. Occasional filament feeding issues and challenges with designing in the software are also noted, though these are minor compared to the printer's strengths. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro share the same 220 mm build volume, 600 mm per second speeds, 280°C quick-release nozzle, auto-leveling, and a PEI plate with the non-Pro version. But the Pro model features a fully enclosed design with integrated dual HEPA and carbon filtration, which supports printing with materials like ABS and ASA. This contrasts with the standard 5M open frame. The Pro also includes a built-in camera for remote monitoring and an auto shutdown function. Its enclosed structure contributes to quieter operation, and the Pro version provides a 0.6 mm nozzle and a larger filament spool. The Adventurer 5M Pro often receives strong praise from users, with many expressing overall satisfaction and highlighting its excellent value. Its user-friendly nature is consistently a standout, frequently described as incredibly easy to set up, with a printer's sturdy and well-built construction that contributes to a solid sense of reliability. Many find the noise level to be quite acceptable, or even quieter than they anticipated, and genuinely appreciate the enclosed design with internal ventilation and HEPA filtration system for improved air quality. The automatic leveling feature is another frequently cited convenience that users truly value. However, the Adventurer 5M Pro does come with its share of drawbacks. Many users have expressed concerns about the printer's reliability, mentioning malfunctions along with issues like clogging and jamming. On the software side, app-related problems are another common source of frustration, including complaints about outdated installers, compatibility issues with operating systems, general bugginess, and inconsistent wireless connectivity. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Pro is for those seeking for a high-speed resin printing solution with superior detail. This printer offers a substantial build volume of 223 by 126 by 230 mm. At its core is a 10.1-inch 14K monochrome LCD, providing an impressive XY resolution of 16.8 by 24.8 micrometers, enabling the creation of prints with layers as fine as 10 microns. The light turbo system ensures consistent light distribution across the print area. User convenience is prioritized with features like automatic leveling, resin temperature control, and an auto refill and withdrawal system for resin. Intelligent functionalities, such as failed print detection and real-time resin monitoring, contribute to a more efficient printing experience. This resin 3D printer demonstrates considerable performance in both speed and print quality, positioning it as a compelling option for applications requiring efficiency and high detail. Reports from users frequently emphasize its accelerated print times, with projects that might have taken 12 hours now often concluding in less than 5. In addition to speed, the print quality is a consistent point of praise among users. Specific mentions include sharp edges, intricate details, and an overall high-fidelity output that often surpasses initial expectations. Resin handling and post-print cleanup are simplified through convenient features which aids in achieving a highly automated cleanup process. Furthermore, the overall build quality is regularly characterized as solid and well-constructed, suggesting a durable and reliable device. However, the printer is not without its drawbacks. Some users find the proprietary FEP film assembly difficult to replace, expensive, and sometimes unavailable. The plastic vat is also criticized for feeling cheap and only working with the specific FEP sheets, which some found loose or low quality, leading to print adhesion problems. Finally, we have the Prusa MK4S, a FDM workhorse, valued for its reliability and precision in 3D printing. With a build volume of 250 by 210 by 220 mm, it accommodates a variety of projects. A core technology is its next router, which incorporates a load cell sensor designed to ensure consistently perfect first layers. The inclusion of a high-flow CHT nozzle allows for significant print speeds, reaching up to 500 mm per second, and facilitates the creation of exceptional 75-degree overhangs, supported by its 360-degree cooling system. Connectivity features include Wi-Fi and Ethernet for use with Prusa Connect. The open-source nature of the MK4S positions it as a reliable option for achieving consistent, high-quality prints. The MK4S stands out in the 3D printing landscape as a highly reliable machine. It garners praise for its operational consistency and reduced need for user adjustment. Print quality is frequently cited as excellent, characterized by smooth layers and effective performance on challenging overhangs. Through the implementation of input shaping, the printer achieves notably faster print times without detriment to quality, establishing it as a powerful and efficient device. A distinct advantage is the automatic bed leveling system, which leverages a load cell sensor to ensure precise first-layer adhesion consistently. Users report a high degree of ease in both setup and day-to-day use, with its intuitive menu contributing to a near plug-and-print experience. The design of the next router, particularly its easy nozzle swap capability, is well received for enhancing user convenience. Moreover, the MK4S benefits from ease of maintenance and repair, attributed to its open-source design. The Prusa Slicer software and a regimen of regular firmware updates are also recognized as key contributions, and its robust construction further solidifies its reputation for durability. However, the price of the MK4S is a notable point for some, especially the cost of its upgrade kits, which are considered more expensive than those from competitors. Furthermore, the absence of a built-in enclosure necessitates an additional investment for users planning to print with high-temperature materials. There you have it, 5 of the best 3D printers for every price range. If you found your match, check the description for more details. Got opinions on these? Share them in the comments. And if you know someone hunting for a 3D printer, send this video to them. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this, subscribe for more reviews, and I'll see you next time.